So I'm doing a Thermaltake Core P90 build. First PC build I've ever done. And I've got it put together, just the case itself here. It was pretty easy to put together. The instructions, it's not too detailed at all, but the pictures are drawn in good quality. You just have to have good vision because it comes with these kind of 5-sided screws, I believe, or 6-sided, and then it also comes with some like rounder screws. And in the pictures, they're really small, and some of them like they're on top of like other pictures. You just gotta know which type of screws you're putting in where. You gotta pay real close attention to detail. Other than that, everything's been cool. The only thing that lacked was how these mount to here. It's just a screw in the back, and there's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And one of them didn't come with a mounting screw for the back, but it was super easy. Just went to the local hardware store, and I believe it was a M5.08 screw, and I was able to get one there, fit perfectly. I believe it was this one here that I put it on, and there's no problem. So the only thing I have right now mounted is the graphics card. The motherboard, of course, is going to go here. This will be the radiator. This will be the pump reservoir, the power supply. Couldn't think of it. There we go. I do have an SSD mounted as well, but then I have my other SSD is going to go on the motherboard itself. Some RAM here, and then my CPU. There's the fan in there, but I'm not going to use the fan. Once I get the motherboard in, I'm going to test the graphics card just to see if it works. And once it works, I will take that bad boy, even though it looks so clean. Look, I'll pull this off so y'all can see. Even though it looks so clean. Oh, there's a back one too. Oh, sorry about that video. Oh, it's under it. Tragic. Even though it looks so clean with that picture, seeing all that run, it'd be nice. But I'm gonna take it apart, put it on this Bits Power water block. That'll be a fun time. I'm sure. I'm waiting on some thermal paste to come in so I can get that good and secure. And of course the motherboard as well. Other than that, I'm about to put on the next glass panel here just to, for shiggles. I can't put these on. It is taking like a little effort to slightly bend the bar so I can get it aligned with the screw and the hole that's in the glass. I'll definitely rather bend the bar than the glass. Glass don't bend. If it does, it ain't supposed to. So you can put this back up there. Just as long as it sticks. I honestly just don't want it getting super dusty, because the more it dusts now, the more I have to dust later. That's not the graphics card. It'll be good. Yeah, I've got this side mounted. I like that look. I'll have to mount this side. Here we go. Let me see. time my light goes off and my TV turns off. Tragic. Oh, these are going on backwards as fuck, yo. So the case comes with like these little plastic grommets that kind of go inside the glass to protect the metal screw from hitting the glass, and then these little plastic ones actually go on the screws themselves. Just make sure, you know, whichever one you're gonna have, however way you put it, whichever way you put it, you can put these on here, stick them on there, or you can put them on here. But if you do that, you gotta make sure this flat side is on the metal and this flat side's on the glass, or vice versa. I just had it on backwards and upside down. Hold the fuck up. What? Oh, okay. I'm wigging out. There it is. The Thermaltake P90 case put together, featuring a 2070 Super EVGA graphics card.